Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is August 13, 2024. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and the YouTube channel Day Trader S&P 500. I want to tell you guys about our unique offer for our relatively new service, Triggers and Targets. It's doing quite well. You can see the potential profit there from our upside and downside triggers. The unique offer is we're giving $44 off, not for the first month, which is usually what we offer, but for every month for the life of your subscription. If you subscribe, it's normally $144. We're giving $44 off, or it's $100 for the lifetime of the subscription. Just type 44. I'll show you that in the discount code box. There's where you can register. I'll show you that too, and the testimonials, we can get into that. Also wanted to let you guys know we're excited to be back in another Elliott Wave Hub forecasting event. This one's August 27th, 2024. I'll be speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern. There's the link there to register. Lots of free gifts, 8 different Elliotticians, if you will. And you'll want to be a part of that. Okay, it goes from 9 to 5, and again I'll be speaking at 2. So click on that link there. If it doesn't show up as a clickable link, I'll make it one. Okay, so let's get into this triggers and targets. Well, first of all, let's show you guys how to do that that $44 off. Okay, you go to register, brings you to this page here. Okay, you fill out all your information there, and then you click on Triggers and Targets. Discount code is 44. Type it there, hit apply, and $44 is taken off, and the total is $100. And again, that's for every month. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the triggers and targets. There's some exciting things going on. The first target was way back here, one trading day after the low in October of 23. I moved it up here for space. Okay, this isn't October 30th, but that's when the first trigger was. Then we had these other total of 5 upside triggers you can see right here, and the upside targets and the potential profits. Again, I repeat, if you add a contract at each one of these triggers, that's a cumulative total, and that's 100% of the gain. We never get 100% of the gain. I'm always happy with 80, 60% in there. Okay, but that's the total potential profit. Each one of those triggers have one contract here, add a second here, add a third here, add a fourth there, add a fifth there. Okay, then on the downside we had 3 triggers, and there's our targets and prices there. Then we didn't quite catch this uptrend, but it was barely a higher high before it went down. But then we had some 4 upside triggers there, and you can see the point and profit gain. That one's a total of 53,000. It's a total of 29. Okay, so that was up in, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 upside triggers there, and the dates. Okay, and then from that high we had a downside trigger here. Okay, from that high to that, well, when the trigger was, it's not actually from the high. Again, it's not 100% of the move, but it's 501 points down to the low. Okay, we had another trigger here, and this looks like I put failed because we got a lower low one day later, and then it's gone. So that might be our first trigger that failed, but in the process it activated another one. This 54.3250 hot low was very critical, because we could count this as 1 down instead of A, 2 up instead of B, and 3 down was a perfect, virtually perfect 1.618 multiple at 51.20. And then we had this move up, and it was shaping up as 3 waves. But if it's a 4, it has to stay below the 1, which was 54.3250, and it didn't. So that activated another upside trigger right here today at that 54.32 price. Okay, we'll see where this goes. We have some targets there. Here we go here, and this is the same, but it's an hourly chart. The previous one was a daily chart. Okay, let's get that up there. Okay, I want to point out this alternate count in red. Okay, it's still bearish, but it's alternate for a reason, because this one in black is primary and it looks better. Let's put it that way. Alternate, we have a 1 down and a 2 up, okay, and then another 1 down and a 2 up. Where is this negated? I always ask ourselves when we're trading or when we're making a chart, where is it wrong? It's the first question. That's where you put your stop, and that's where you have your alternate count comes in. This alternate is wrong when it goes above this 5600.75 high, because this wave 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of this wave 1 down in red. Okay, so that's where it's wrong. Interestingly enough, this wave up equals a 1.618 at 55.61 right here, which is just under that 5600 high. So we'll see how this plays out, but this is 1 up, this is 2 down. Here's your 3 targets, and it already passed the 1-to-1 ratio at 54.1675. So today was a pretty important day. There it is there on the daily chart. So we'll see how that plays out. I think that's about it. Do we want to look at let's look at the US 10-year real quick. We're looking at a daily chart. Oh wait, here we go. Okay, make it a full screen. We have an A down, a B up. There's where C equals A at 3.501. We hit a 3.667 on August 5th. And there's the trigger, there's the target. That would be the larger degree wave 2 down. We have wave 1 up here from the 2020, the year 2020 low. And we have an A down, a B up, and a C down. It could be close to a double bottom here. We're going to watch this real closely. Watch this on much smaller degree of trend to see if this is the start of wave 3 up, basically. But we're watching that. That's just a double 2 there for some reason. My apologies for that. Okay, let's get out of that, and I wanted to make this triggers and targets a little bigger screen if I could. There we go. Now it's much easier to read. Okay, there we go with our 1, 2, 3, 4 upside triggers there, 1, 2 downside triggers there. Potential first failure since October of 2023, October 30th. Okay, we'll see. So far it's not good. Okay, but then we've got this A, B, C, and then we've got what looks like a 1, 2, and then 3, and then I'll go back and show you guys that 3 target there. Okay, that's what we're looking for, a move up there, and again a move above the 5600.75 negates that bearish count, which labels a decline from the all-time high as a series of 1s and 2s, with a 1 down, 2 up in parentheses there, and a 1 down, 2 up there. Cannot go above there. Okay, that's it for today. Today was an important day. Just wanted to get something out to you guys, and until next time, take care, everyone.